Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set a task as in progress here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting a task in progress here in Clickup is a straightforward process that helps manage workflows and keep teams aligned. Alright, so there are multiple ways for you to marking a task in progress. Number one is, for example, we are already here on this dashboard. I'm going to create something from scratch. For example, I'm going to create a new workspace, and that's going to be this. Alright. I'm gonna click on continue, and I'm going to search for a specific task here. Now, maybe I'm going to use the social media content plan, because in the Deep Laughs YouTube channel, if you haven't already, we are a group of individuals who create videos for you guys to help you solve your problems quickly. So there are those assigned for creating these amazing thumbnails. There are those who record the videos, and of course there are those who create the back end of the YouTube channel. So we are a small team that is passionate about what we do. And now, in terms of the ClickUp, what I'm going to do is create a social media content plan, like who's gonna create the thumbnail. For example, this one gonna be Deep Laughs for now. Okay, project one. Going to import everything here and use the template. Okay, so once you've done that, we're going to hover to the Deep Laughs, go to projects, and that's gonna be our first task. Right? Go to click on list. You see, this is gonna be the social media content plan. Now, all you have to do, you see that it's right now it's on to do, and if you want to change this, you can change this specifically into progress and click on save. That's one way. All right, but of course you need to you see that you can change the color that you want it and click on save. That's one way. All right. Now here on the drop down menu, you see you can also change this into maybe a to do or in progress. If you click on one task here, I'm going to rename this as something like that. I'm going to add a description. I'm going to change the background cover. I'm gonna upload, and I'm going to reposition. Okay, so this is how you set a task in progress. Going to type it here, going to attach a file, upload a file. Once it's done, I'm going to click on send. Now here it's the status is currently in to do, the next is in progress. You see that? Now the task is set in progress, as you can see in the bottom left corner. All right, and if you wanted to, of course, change this, you're gonna click on this into complete. But for now, I'm going to change it to in progress. Now you can put in the dates, time estimate, tags if you wanted to have more control over the task when you set it in progress. So these are the essentials in setting a task in progress. You can also share this task to your collaborators, team members, and if you're working with multiple freelancers or clients, you might want to do with them. You can share this link with anyone by copying the link. Once you've done that, you would be able to set the task in progress without any problem. Because marking a task in progress ensures that everyone knows who is responsible for the task. As you can see it from here, when you slide it off, the assigned team member is actively working for it, and of course it signals that the team member has started work and is committed to progressing the task, making them accountable for moving it forward. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.